Anything canceling yet?
Yeah.
Too many things.
Hopefully.
Half of my
Wouldn't
problem.
make a problem if it didn't cancel. Let's see. Like I said with the first one, you've got to choose 3 and 2. They're both negative because you got to add them to get 5. And 5's negative. So that would be the first part. What could you do in the denominator?
Professor AJ,
GCF.
why wouldn't we have done 1 times 6? Because couldn't it have...
What did you put?
I put x minus 6 and then x plus 1, which would have given me a negative a.
Correct. But what's a negative times a positive?
Negative.
But I wanted a positive 6 on the end. That wouldn't have worked. That's why this negative and this negative would make the positive.
You said always try to use the closest numbers possible. Would that always prevent that?
No, because sometimes it could be 6 and 1.
But it would only be that if it had to be, and therefore it wouldn't be a problem in that.
Correct. I mean, it could have been. If this was a minus 6, then yeah, your numbers would have been 6 and
So
1.
if the problem can only be done with the 1, that's the only time you use
Correct.
the 1 times whatever.
Correct. Times whatever number it is.
So Professor AJ, I got a little confused. You said it'd have to be a positive 6.
Correct, when you multiply it through. Because negative 3 times negative 2, 2 negatives
Okay, a positive
make the
6.
positive. But in your problem, this negative and this positive wouldn't give you the positive.
I would assume
But
that
2 negatives would, if it was -1.
Yeah,
But then that would give you
wouldn't
negative
work.
7, not
Okay.
negative 5.
All
So
right.
there's no way to do it with 6 and 1. What about the bottom? What could we do?
GCF.
GCF, which is
2.
2. And we're left with x
Plus 2.
plus 2. What about this one? What can we do?
Can't do that.
X plus 2.
Can't do anything. Just x plus 2. And the bottom, do we have a
GCF?
GCF? Which is 2 again.
Have you given us any of those zero factors?
Where you solve for 0? That was on the last test. We don't remember those in this chapter.
Don't help her out. She's good.
The only ones we have are those fractions. over
I'm
here.
talking to Ellen again.
Okay, things that can cancel. Let's see. The x minus 3's doesn't want to cancel. X minus 3,
X plus 2.
x plus 2. So the only thing on top is an x minus 2.
Over
What do you have on the bottom?
4.
Good. 2 times 2 is 4. Don't put 22. It's
So
4.
I carried them both over as 2 times
You
2.
want to simplify it to your 4.
Okay.
So we wouldn't be able to reduce the 2s. could we?
Well, they're both on the bottom. If one was on top and one was on the
Okay,
bottom.
because you have to go across.
But if they're both on the bottom, they just squish together.
Okay, so you have to do, yeah.
Keep us multiplying. All right, I got one more in this category. This one's a division problem. Oh, let me go back to my page. All right, 2 x squared plus 10x plus 24 Do not forget with division, you have to do what?
Same change flip.
Change flip. Because if you don't do that, things aren't going to cancel, and then you're going to think you did the problem. So make sure you do the keep change flip. I'm going to go, I'm just doing the keep change flip right here. You're already done.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Good.
Sure.
He's looking at first.
These are kind of. I'm second guessing my answer. But she's 5 and 1.
Do you see my work?
Is she missing a term?
Yeah.
Okay. And that means that's my answer. There's nothing to pull.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're missing a term.
A term?
Yeah. You cross something out
Okay.
and you're not rewriting it, which I see a lot too. Going fast. More seconds. Always factor down. Well, the first one, what were your two numbers you chose? With this one.
6 and 4.
6 and 4. And everything's positive, so all yours is positive. How'd you do the bottom part of that?
X plus 5.
Just rewrite it. You don't have a common DCF. What type of factoring is this one? Close. Difference of squares.
So X minus.
So if you need to do your little thinking cap and think, how could I rewrite this? It'd be x squared minus 5 squared. That'll give you the 25. Cross off the squares.
X
So
minus
you're left
5.
with X minus 5,
X plus 5.
x plus 5. On the bottom, numbers that multiply to 16 that give you 8. 4 and 4. Again, everything's positive, so everything's positive here. And let's see here, we've got x plus 4 is canceling. We have x plus 5 is canceling. Okay. So on top, I have an x plus 6 and an x minus 5. And what do you sub on the bottom?
X plus 4.
Plus 4.
Now, would it have mattered if you would have cross-canceled the two X plus 4s on the bottom, and then just everything would have been on the top?
Okay, like these two?
Mm-hmm.
But if they're both on the bottom, you can't do it. One has to be on bottom, one has to be on top.
Okay.
Alright, so that's multiply, divide. We have 2 more little sections. So number 8. We've only got 8 problems. Add